right, I'm going to show you how to browse your lesson history and actually how to restore previous versions of your lessons. So what you want to do first is go to the lesson menu of whatever lesson you want to browse the history of. You click on that, and then you scroll down and you'll see Browse Lesson History as an option. So click on that, and then here is the current version of my lesson. And over on the right, I'll see all the edits I made to this lesson. So here you can see I pasted over this lesson, but if I want to go back to the version before that, all I have to do is click on that prior version, and then I can click roll back to version 4. So if I click on that, and then I look at my lesson, it rolled back to that previous version. So I'm going to show that again. So you click in your lesson menu, and then you click on Browse Lesson History. This is your current lesson over on the left. Over on the right is all of the edits you made, and you can click on any of these to roll back to that version. Now, reasons you might want to use this is if you accidentally paste over a lesson, or you delete some cards, or you just accidentally get rid of some things in your lesson and you've already closed it out, or you've refreshed and you're not able to undo. So this is where you can just go into that lesson menu, browse your history, and roll it back. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have questions, email us at support@commoncurriculum.com.